Yeah, feel it.
It's a squishy cake.
It's a squishy cake by Orb. And then we're gonna open this Orb Slimy Unicorn Rainbow Slimy.
Yeah, so now I'm cutting it.
Do the kids know safety first scissors always? And don't cut without parents' permission.
Ooh, what is that? Is that a squishy cake?
Yeah.
Is there more?
Yeah.
What kind of icing is it? What flavor is purple? Is some grape? Squeeze it real hard, it's some thick slime. Oh, it's coming.
Pull it out. Pull it out of the bottom. Pull the slime out. Show me the
Good
slimes.
slime.
Show me how stretchy it
What can
is.
you make out of this?
Pull it apart. So let's see how stretchy it is.
You want to help you get the rest of the time?
First, I have purple, blue, then the pink.
Can you lift it up and show me how stretchy it is?
Yeah.
Wow, that's super stretchy.
It also can make
It can make slime poop.
Some emoji poop.
Okay, you can mix the colors together.
that pink.
What color do you think it's gonna make?
I think it's just gonna be a unicorn rainbow.
I think it might make maybe just a dark purple.
Mommy's away.
I was right, it's unicorn rainbow.
Can you mix it? You can mix it more. Should we put some of that rainbow icing on the cupcakes?
Mixed together.
Oh my goodness, that's so squishy. Where did the cake go?
I got right
It's like tie-dye.